What are you even doing here, dude?
Well, Drift This is all about taking a vehicle you would never see on a drift track and making it go sideways.
Yeah, so why do we have to start out with something so freaking big?
We got our work cut out for us, though, I know that.
Oh yeah, it's big.
So
it's a big one.
We're on our way to the Next Tire warehouse right now to see a vehicle that we bought online.
Yeah, we got a 2002 Workhorse P30 van, delivery truck, bread truck. It's a
Whatever you
big
want to call
truck.
it, it's big.
Big truck. But it's got a 5.7 liter, 200 screaming horsepower.
Woo!
It's rear-wheel drive, also very important.
Dually rear tires,
yeah.
of course.
Too many tires back there. So we're gonna have to get creative, but I'm sure we can make this work.
So we're gonna head there. We're gonna test it out, and basically we're just gonna see what he can do, and then come up with a plan.
Right,
Somewhere
we'll
around here.
Look around. Oh my God, dude!
That's it.
That must be it.
We are in trouble, dude.
Just like the pictures. Oh my God.
She gonna drift, man. She gonna drift something.
I mean, it better.
Let's get into it.
Well, we got one seat, man.
One seat.
After you, bud.
We got the Hot Boy already thefted ignition.
Oh, dude, we got a hot vehicle right here.
280,000 miles on the odometer.
I'm already questionable about this motor, and that's kind of put me
a lot
over
of
the
mileage
edge.
on it.
Yeah, the seat looks like a nice slick one. Shoot you right out the door.
I think if we throw a harness bar or something on it with a 4-6 point, we'll be all right.
I like how open this is, though.
Maybe
a little
those
rocking and rolling in this thing.
Maybe those 200 ponies will do it for us. Let's get under the hood, see what kind of room we got.
Yeah, it's pretty short, but there's surprisingly a lot of room up here.
Yeah, it's pretty close to the firewall, but
Yeah, it's just all radiator from this angle. But you're driving first, right?
I'm taking it.
Yeah, 'cause
I got the keys, dude.
I drove us here, so it's only fair that you drive, because I'm not driving that thing first. All right, Tuerck, let her freaking rip.
Let's do it.
Yeah, do something. Whoop, I heard something. Oh boy. Yeah! You got the old one tire fired? Tire's turning on one side.
We got a little something.
You were getting more angle out of the front tires than anything else.
That's usually the point where I break it, so I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead.
But, let's try and do a freaking burnout in that thing. How do I start this thing?
Needle nose, dude.
Needle nose?
Needle
Using my
nose.
keys?
Yep.
All right, dog. Let's
that nothing there.
I got something. Oh yeah, feel the power, dude.
Don't forget your seatbelt.
You're gonna need it. All right. I don't know, what do you think?
Is it in one?
It's in something.
All right, fire it up. Are you giving it everything?
It's floored, what do you think? I don't think it's gonna work.
We gotta try something else.
I got an idea. A little bit of water and a little bit of dirt to really try and loosen us up here. Gotta use your resources, you know? I was looking up at these crappy old mud flaps earlier.
Putting a lot of work into this.
Yeah, putting a lot of work in this burnout. This is the hardest burnout I've ever done. All right,
Fire it up, dude.
let's do it!
Come on, baby. Yeah! Keep it going.
Oh, it's going now!
It's going. Oh my God, I'm surprised the tires didn't friggin'
I
blow
was
up.
trying, man. Oh, we got down to the cords. They almost popped.
They're pretty close.
Let's get this hot rod back to the shop, come up with a game plan in the morning, because we got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, it's gonna be a tough one.